Yay! Yay! I'm smiling. Do it again. Yay, Mason! Smile for mommy, giggle for mommy. Oh, there it is. There it is. Show mommy that smile. I eat, I sleep, I play, I nap, I go for walks, I poop, I play with daddy, I play with the kitties, I eat food, I play games.
I toy with the camera.
I take long videos of nothing. I yawn and I get tired. My ears stick out a little. I like new outfits and walks on the beach. And romance. No romance. I like a good book. I like a little cuddle from my toy Huey. And I like to smile. You smile. No. Still making a poop.
Good effort.
Good pooping effort. Now could you get that ready for the next one?